And a lot of larger companies have to worry about this, even not necessarily a disaster. For example, like the president, the vice president, they're not allowed to go on the same plane because if the plane goes down, we've lost both. And large corporations do the same thing, is that their CEO and another C-level person who's very important, they can't go in the same place, or they shouldn't be at the same they wouldn't be on the same plane, or they shouldn't be in the same place because they'd be putting themselves both at risk, which would actually put the company at risk. So there needs to be something laid out. This is for business continuity, but companies should do this anyway, is that if the CEO, maybe he left his job, he's unavailable, if there was a disaster, maybe he actually got killed, who's going to be the replacement? And companies actually have a deputy, like deputy CEO, which means this is the person who's going to step into the place of the CEO if something happens to him. They have a deputy CFO. But if they don't have these deputies already decided upon, if it's a public company, then the board will actually make the decision of who's going to step up and run the company, especially in this type of situation, before everything settles down and they have to find a new leader.